Okay, alright.
Alright, what's up you guys? So, welcome back to the channel. It's RidingwithLee. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, like the video if you want. You don't have to. I'm just saying it just because that's what people do. They just say it. Anyways, let's jump into today's video. Okay? Jump into today's video. Anyways, what I got here is my helmet and my camera. This is how I motovlog. Basically, to sum it all up, make it real short, sweet, and quick, you buy a GoPro. You got a laptop, awesome. You got a computer desktop, cool, awesome. You got something to edit on. GoPro, helmet mount, GoPro adapter for the mic, squid mic. It's a little stringy mic you just coil up in there and you plug it into here and then plug it into there. This goes here, boom. Adapter plugs into the side, boom. You're ready to ride. Hit that record button, start riding. Simple as that. That's how I make my videos. I don't know how you make your videos, if you make videos, but if not, this is how you can make them. So I went with the GoPro Hero 7 Black because I've never had a GoPro. Didn't do a whole lot of research on the GoPros. I just knew that the stabilization for this camera was just immaculate. So I figured, what more should I need for making videos on a motorbike? You're gonna have bumps. You're gonna feel everything. Like, you're gonna see everything if I have a crappy camera on there that doesn't have stabilization, so it's gonna show everything. Unless you're used to it, then you won't really notice it. But like, what I noticed between my vlogs and some of the other vlogs that I watched that like are shot on like a GoPro Hero 4 or something like that, like mine makes it look like I'm riding on a cloud. Like, it's that smooth. It's crazy the stabilization that this camera has. So I picked it up for like 350 bucks. It was like $50 off when it come out at Best Buy. Went on GoPro's website, got the mic adapter, which you gotta have, this big bulky mic adapter. The 4s have much smaller mic adapters, and that's one of the perks everybody liked about it. So, but like I said, I went with the 7. Got this big bulky mic adapter. The squid mic that I have coils up into the helmet, into the padding, and I have it run out right on the inside of here, so that it picks up my voice. Sometimes I'll tuck it in between the cheek pad just to kind of muffle the voice a little bit so that it's not so loud and crazy. Freecon headset, Bluetooth headset, that's what everybody had that we was riding with, so I went ahead and got one of those. Now everybody's getting the Pack Talk, which probably should be a good idea for me to go ahead and get the Pack Talk. Apparently you can sync up with a lot of people, and yeah. So that's how I communicate with everybody, is through the Freecon. You can see that there. The Freecon headset's got a little dial on it and stuff. Got a button to turn it on. But yeah, as far as motovlogs go, it's simple. All you need is the GoPro mount, mount it to it, double adhesive tape, double-sided adhesive tape, and you just stick it on where you like it. Find a good spot. I mount the camera upside down. For a while, I seen Grimy Bear, like his was mounted upside down. I could never figure out why. And for me, I felt like it'd be better to do that. Because before I had it, like this was on the other side and it was flipped the other way. So basically my camera was sitting like this and I can only pivot it this way and that way. And it would stop right here, and that was as much as it can. Now, you know, when you got the helmet on, it sits down a little bit because it's not perfectly like that. It sits down. So with it up as far as it could, it didn't get the view that I wanted it to, that I wanted you guys to see from. So I flipped it upside down like Grimy Bear, and now it allows me to go down just a little bit, which I don't really need to go down. It allows me to come up now more. I could go up to like right there if I wanted to, but why would I do that? So anyways, it's like this so that you can see more of the handlebars. I'm trying to get that perfect view. I'm still fighting it. I'm still new to it. So not perfect by any means, but it does work a lot better for me to mount it upside down and to film like that. That way I can adjust it more to get that better angle. But it's super easy to start out. Like I said, all you need is the GoPro to mount the helmet and the bike, and you start riding. And I take all my videos off the SD card. I put it on my laptop, and on my laptop I edit with Adobe Premiere Pro. So I'll just offload all my footage on the computer, edit it on there, and then post it from there. And that's pretty much it. Like, it's super easy to get started, you know, on YouTube. Doesn't matter what you want to do. You just got to pick that camera up and hit that record button. Start recording. Otherwise, you're going to be sitting there like me for the past 2 days trying to figure out lighting for this video, and it probably ain't perfect, and it don't really matter to me now. I'm just trying to get the video up and out there. I don't want to fall behind. I'm trying to upload at least once a week to stay consistent. Like, all year I've stayed pretty consistent with once a week uploads. So this new year is coming up, 2020, so I'm going to try to upload at least twice a week, as much as possible. I try to upload as much as possible as it is. It just so happens that, you know, it's once a week. Sometimes a little bit longer than a week. Just depends on how work goes that week, and, you know, I'm going to get there. I'm going to get there. But I just wanted to give you a little overview on, you know, my setup. It's really simple. Put it in there just like that. Oh, pretty much that's how it sits. Oh, but yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all it is to it. The GoPro mic plugs in, the mic adapter plugs into the side here. It's pretty simple. This will plug in right there. Normally I have it turned out like that. So boom, it'll plug in like that. Normally I have it sitting about right there, so you get that angle, that perfect angle or whatever. And that's my setup. That's it.
Blah. Add it up.